Hi friends, so I'm back with hi friends, this is Anub. I'm back with our next video. This is a part 2 of the video. We have uploaded a video of part 1 of how to like ring a REVIT file of architecture and structural files so that we can start with our MEP file. So we have done all that in our previous video. If you haven't watched that, please go and watch the part 1 video, and yeah, let's continue. In our previous video, we learned how to link a REVIT file, that's our architecture file and structural file, and we opened our system default file. In that, we have done all these things. So let's learn like how to let's say open a CAD file that has been provided by the MEP designing team. So, and we have to check what all things they have given in the file, and we will be checking all these things, and we will be linking a CAD file over here. So that will be a shortcut for us to work with in the REVIT file. So let's go and see. So so this is our CAD file actually. Okay, so I'm just going to double click this file. So there you go. We are right now in the CAD file. Okay, this is a CAD file of the ground floor plan. Okay, it's a CAD file of the ground floor plan that they provided by the MEP designing team. So you can see over here, this is a model actually. You can see on the bottom portion, you can see it's a model and there's a sheet. In some cases, there will be like more than one. In a model, there will be like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, etc. like that. Here, right now, we have just sheet 1. So sheet is something like something more, detailed. It will be giving you, so much more information, like what all things are, all the namings, okay, all the abbreviations they've given over here, like they've given here ECD, and they have given something like SAD. So we don't know what all these abbreviations are. So first of all, when we get a drawing like this, all we have to do is go and check over here, okay, check over this portion, what all this and what all the abbreviations that I have given, okay. So VCD means it's volume control diagram, and FD means fire diagram. Like that, you can check, okay, you can check all these things. FC means flexible direct, and they've even given a small, picture for that also for the easiness of us to understand. And yeah, so before getting started, basic things we need to know all these things are, what all things are inside this floor plan, and what all things they've designed, and what all things we need to draw. Okay, from that information, we will be providing in the REVIT file so that we can draw the things. Okay, so here you can see they're given SAD, it's a supply air duct, OAD means outside air duct, EAD means extract air duct, RAD means return air duct. Okay, all these things we will be learning. Okay, so we should know it's a supply duct, so this duct it will go and it will supply some air. OAD means it's outside air duct, which means it's a fresh air duct. It will be taking fresh air from outside and will be supplying to some particular areas that need fresh air supply. And EAD means it's extract air duct, or you can say it's exhaust air duct. It will be taking some, or some uh, air from the toilet or some spaces that are too congested, so it will be taking those air from there and it will be extracting to outside. Okay, and return air duct is duct, it will be connected to either FCU. So we'll be checking that in the details. Okay, and the return air from the room and circulating in the room. Okay, so we'll be discuss everything. Okay. So okay, so let's go to the model. Okay, let's go to the model and see. Okay, so you can see it's okay, let me go to and see the sheet. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the you can see over here. Okay, it's a ground floor plan, and in the REVIT file you can see this is a ground floor plan that we have created over here. So this should actually match. Okay, you can see the stairs over here. Okay, these stairs over here, everything is already matched. Okay, there is a staircase over here. Okay, and let's check the AutoCAD that everything is similar or not. Okay, just go to the model. Here you can see those stairs over here, those stairs. Okay, so we can say that everything is kind of matched, and it says it's ground level plan. Okay, anyhow, I'll just do a double check. Okay, so after that, we need to just take this file to the our REVIT file. Before taking that, this must be a big file. Okay, we just need the basic information only. We don't need all these grids and all. Okay, so that I usually do is I'll just mark a reference point over here. Okay, I'll mark a reference point like I'll just draw a line by clicking L. Okay, and I'll press the space bar so that a line will start from here. Okay, and I can draw a line like this. Okay, and I'll draw a line again by typing L or spacebar again, and to get out of from that, just press escape a couple of times. Okay, and press circle. Okay, C, and press spacebar, so it will create a circle. Just select the center point, draw a circle, something like this. Okay, this is our reference point. Okay, so you can see 0.5, and this grid is 0.5 A. Okay, that grid's name is actually, this point is 0.5 A. This is the intersection. Okay, this is that intersection. So let me go and check in REVIT file this that we have such intersection. Okay, this is 0.5 okay point, and this, yes, we have A. Okay, we have A in 0.5 over here. So just okay, so this is the point that we are gonna take that CAD file with the reference point over here. Okay, so we are good right now. Okay, so why I did that is I'll be deleting all these grids right away. Okay, so I'll just select the grids like this. Okay, it's a block file, that's why they selected that whole thing is selected. It's a block that how they've created. Okay, and I'm just gonna press delete. Yeah, that's gone. Okay, and yeah, we don't want these things too. Okay, just press that delete, and we don't need these sections. Just press delete and all. Okay, so I say we keep all these abbreviations. That will be better for us to work with the file. Okay, so yeah, we are good now. Okay, so okay, we don't need this section too. Just select delete. Okay, so now we got the file. This is clean file. Okay, we need to do something else. Okay, we just need to open a new drawing. Okay, just go for new drawing. Okay, now it's my right now in 3D. Okay, I'm just gonna give it to 2D wireframe top. Okay, so now it's 2D form. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press left click over here, and I'm just gonna select all this file. Okay, and I'm just gonna press Control Shift and C. Okay, Control Shift C, and they will ask copy, specify your base point. Okay, where is your base point? So I'm gonna put here as my base point. So yeah, so now they've placed the base point over here, and the file is copied. So they'll be asking where to copy this file. Okay, where to copy this file. So I'm just gonna take this new tab over here, and I'm gonna press Control V, and they'll be asking us like where to paste this file. Okay, the window will come. I think it's kind of hang. Yeah, so they're asking the specify intersection point. So I'm gonna type 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, and I'm just gonna press enter or space. So right now it's in the origin point of the CAD file. Okay, this is origin. So we are good now, and okay, I'm sorry, I forgot something actually. Before doing this thing, okay, let me close this file. Okay, we did something wrong. Just don't save. Okay, just press no. Okay, open a new drawing. Go to here, top view, and just go to not realistic. Just go to 2D wireframe. Okay, so now we got the 2D frame. Before starting this thing, all we have to do is just check the units. Okay, just type UN and just type spacebar. Okay, so now right now it's in inches. Okay, we've been dealing with millimeters over that file. is that millimeters. Okay, everything is in millimeters, so we have to change this to millimeters. So this is right now millimeters. Just press OK button. Okay, after that, go to this file that we already copied. Okay, we already copied like this. Okay, we have copied like this. Control Shift C. I'm just doing this again, and I'm going to specify the base point. Okay, now the base point is selected. It's copied, and I'm going to go to this drawing. Control V. And they will be asking us base point 2. So I'm going to press 0, 0. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so right now it's in this file. Okay, right now in this file. After that, we have to purge this file. Okay, purge. I'll tell you what. Okay, just type pu like keyboard. Okay, pu and just hit OK. So a window will come like this. Okay, and just do purge all. Okay, I'll tell you what is. You can see, you can see block, groups, layers. Okay, all these unwanted things right now in this CAD will be deleted. Okay, so the file size will be reduced after purging. Okay, just do purge all items. Okay, till this purge all fades away, you have to do this. Okay, till this purge all fades away. Now I don't have any any more option to press this purge all, so we are good right now. So just press close. All right, so the file is right now ready to link with REVIT file. Okay, so we'll be going to save this file. Let's go to AutoCAD. Go to save, and they'll be asking a location to save. Okay, so let me go to I'm gonna give this name as HVAC linked file. Okay, and I'm gonna give this abbreviations ground floor. Okay, so now we're good. Our file is inside there. So now we have to link that file. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is go to link tab. Okay, insert tab. Okay, and go to link CAD file. Okay, link CAD file, and we'll be going to where our file location is. So this is our file location. Okay, so make sure you press this current view only. Okay, so make sure you press this check bar. Okay, just press this check bar, and it should be origin to origin, and everything should be like this. Okay, so make sure the settings is all right with you, and just press open button. It will take a little time. You can see in the bottom over here, it's like processing. Okay, so during this, some of the entities were lost during the import, so it's fine. Okay, you just press close. Okay, so right now you can see the file came actually, and but it's not right now in the real position that we need. Okay, it's somehow somewhere else. So right now I'm gonna just select this file and move over here. Okay, right now it's not working. I cannot select this and move over here. Okay, so what you need to understand is just go to the bottom. Okay, and you can see all the select links. All these things are in the wrong position. Okay, all you have to check these things and make sure that into is not there. Okay, that cross mark is not there. So right now everything is you know so I'm just going to select this file, and let me move. Okay, it won't be moving right now, so let me see. Okay, just select this file, and okay, to move you have to go to just select this file, and a window will appear on the top. Okay, so you can see a move. Okay, MV file. So just select it somewhere and try to move, okay, and a message will come, okay, can't move the pinned element, because anything that you are linking to the Revit, like a CAD file or something, everything will be defaultly pinned, okay, everything will be in default pinned file. So we have to unpin that file first, okay. All you have to do is just select this file, go over here, and you can see the unpin button, okay. Just select this button first. So now it's unpinned, so now we are ready to move. So let me move this file, okay. I'm just selecting this move, or you can type MV, just select somewhere and select somewhere. Why I did this is I need to see where this file is, okay, where this cross mark is, okay. That's why I just moved it inside the Revit area, okay, this floor plan. So right now I'm going to move this file over here. So I'm just going to press MV on the keyboard, MV, and it's going to ask them where the midpoint is, from where we need to move, okay. So I'm just going to select this intersection, and I know where it is. I know it's 0.5A. So this is our 0.5A. So I'm going to press over here. So you can see right now it's correctly linked, okay. It's correctly placed over the floor plan. So now it's for easy. So after doing this, make sure you just go and pin, okay. Make sure you pin this file, and you just checked everything, okay, so that nothing is gonna move and everything will be okay. So now our file is ready to work with, okay. So now we have a reference to work with. So so right now you can see almost everything over here, okay. So let me make everything quick for you, okay. I'm not gonna waste your time and my time. So um, we'll be learning this in a process, okay. So let's learn what all things these are, okay. So for your easiness, I'll just change the background color to black, so that will be easy to, you know, it's better for your visibility. So just go to options and go to graphics, and you can just change the background color here to black. Hit OK button, OK button. So now it's in black. So now it's easy to see, okay. Let me make this window to here. Okay, so I just I rearranged these things, okay. So we have a space over here to work with, okay. So you can see this is an FCU, okay. This is an FCU from which it's a fan coil unit actually, okay. From here, this is a fan actually. From here, the chilled water supply will be providing, so that the chilled water will be supplying through this, and a fan from which the air will be passing through the coil, and the air out will be a cooled air, okay. It will be cooled air, and it will be passing through this duct like this, and you can see over this red things, okay. These red things are actually diffusers. So these diffusers are actually the passage, uh, passage of air to the your room, or where the FCU is, where the duct is placed, okay. So these all other things, so it will passes, all the air will be passing through these ceiling diffusers, okay. So we will make a clear understanding of this once we have drawn these things. Okay, so okay, let me draw something for you. Okay, so let me draw this thing. Okay, so for that I need to place this FCU right now over here. Okay, so for that I'm gonna go to the Systems tab. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this FCU. This is a mechanical equipment. So just select the ME, or you can type ME, or just type mechanical equipment, or you can type ME, or just go here and select ME. So right now we don't have anything to place. Okay, we don't have right here. Okay, once you selected that, something will come like this. This is MVAB unit. Okay, fan powered. Okay, we don't have a proper FCU over here, so we have to load it. Okay, so for that, just go to load family. Okay, right now I'm having my file, so that's why I'm going right now. I have a family right now over here where all these files are saved. So okay, this is my FCU. Okay, this is my FCU. I'm just gonna select this file. Okay, I'll be sharing a link. Okay, you can go and download the file from here. Okay, I'll be just sharing a Google Drive file, so you can download all these things. You just select this file and just click the open button. Okay, so once it's here, it will look something like this. Okay, so we need to just check. Okay, we need to place this thing. Okay, we need to rotate this thing. Okay, we can place it over here and we can rotate. Okay, before placing also we can rotate. All you have to do is just press the space button. Okay, just press the space button, so it will rotate like this. Okay, so right now we are in the correct position. Okay, so I'm gonna press the left button of the mouse. So yeah, it's here. Okay, so this is FCU over here. Okay, so we have placed this FC over here, and we need to draw a duct from here. Okay, so let me see where this duct is right now. Okay, so you can see if you select this duct in the properties tab, you can see this is like named FCU, like carriers FCU, and its offset means from level ground floor. Okay, from the level ground floor right now it's in 0 0 position, which means it's not offset is like the height, actually height from the ground floor. From ground floor it's right now in 0 0. Okay, which means it's not it's just placed in the ground level. It's not in a particular height or something. It's right now in the ground floor. It's sitting in the ground floor. We can check that. Okay, so let me go. I'll just select this file and go to I'll say, okay, just select this file and go to here. Okay, you can see a box. There's a section box, or you can type BX after selecting that. Okay, just select BX or just select this file, and it will just take you into a 3D view. Okay, so you can see it right over here. Okay, so right now we are in the 3D view. You can see over here. Okay, but it's kind of not good view, right? We all have something that's so unnecessary over here. For that, you have to do is just go to VV, or you can type VG in the keyboard or type VV in the keyboard. Okay, so I want to hit VV. So I'm like inside something like this. Okay, and I'm gonna go into annotation categories, and I'm gonna find scope box. So you have to click somewhere else and just type S in your keyboard, and it will take you to scheduled graphics. And you can see below that it's a scope box. Just uncheck that scope box, and that green thing over here, it will be going away. Okay, and just select the section box and hit the apply button and press the OK button. So now that we get rid of that scope box. Okay, and after that, make sure you have checked this section box over here. Okay, so and you can see this ground floor thing over here. I don't need that thing. Okay, I'm just going to VB again. For annotation categories, I'm going to hit somewhere else, and I'm just going to press L. It will be taking to me to levels. I'm going to uncheck that box, hit OK button, press OK button. So we are good right now. Okay. So you can see it's still not a good view, right? It's some kind of it looks like a CAD view. So all you have to do is just go over here in the detail thing and just go with fine, and here go with shaded. Okay. So still the equipment is the shaded view, but our architecture or structural file is right now not in the shaded view. So for that, you have to go over here, okay, in the properties browser, and you can see the discipline. You just change this discipline to coordination. So now you're good, right? So you can see this FCU that we placed in the ceiling, and right now it's in the ground floor. Okay, so we have to take this thing to the top, okay, which is inside this ceiling. Okay, you can see this is our structural and architecture file. Okay, this is our ground floor. Okay, and this is our first floor. So, and between that we have a ceiling. Okay, and this must go inside this ceiling. So I forgot to tell you how you can deal with this section box. Okay, so this is a section box. Okay, once selected that, you will get a bunch of arrows over here to top all the 6 sides. I mean, all the 6 sides you have all these arrows. You can just drag, you know. And to rotate this, make sure to press shift button and your mouse center button. Okay, and you can just rotate your mouse and you can see. Okay, so you have to take this thing to the top. So you can just select this file and go to here. Okay, in your view cube, just press somewhere else. I'm gonna press left button, so it will just give it to your perfect view. Okay, so right now it's not in any rotated view. Okay, and just press your arrow keys. Okay, in your keyboard, just press your arrow keys and you can lift it. You can lift it like this. You can lift it up. Okay, you can lift it up like this. Now we are in the ceiling. While me moving this file, you can see in the left side over here, you can see the offset is like changing. You can see the offset is changing. Okay, like right now the offset is like 3000, 3400, 3500. Okay, right now I'm gonna place it in 3500. Okay, and this is our 3D view. So let me change this view to the ground floor plan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Control Tab, and it will be taking me to the other tab that I've opened. Okay, the Control Tab. Okay, Control Tab. It will be switching windows like this. Control Tab. So you can see this thing over here. Okay, so I'm gonna just move this thing with my arrow keys. Okay, so you can see while placing this thing, we cannot see what's happening below that. We cannot see the CAD file. Okay, we need to see the CAD file too. So for that, I'm gonna go here over here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the graphic display options. I'm going to change to wireframe. So after hitting that, you can see the below portions. Okay. So after that, I need to draw this duct from here to here. Okay. So I'm going to hit this create a new duct, and I need to check what the size of the duct I need to draw. This is 450 into 150 mm duct. Okay. So I'm going to press here. So it will be started to create duct by itself. Okay, so I need to draw 450 into 150 mm duct. Okay, so I'm going to press 450 into 150 mm duct. Okay, and I'm going to go with like this. So you can see everything is created by them. Okay, everything is created by them. Okay, so everything is created by the I don't see it's 450 into 150. All right, maybe some measuring mistakes. Okay, anyhow it's 450 into 150 mm duct. Okay, anyhow it's 450 into 150 mm duct. Okay, so you can start drawing from here to here. Okay, you need to press here. You can go over here, just press your right click button of your mouse and you can start drawing from here. Okay, draw duct, and you can end till here. Okay, so you have drawn a duct from here to here. Okay, and you need to insert an end cap over here because it's ending over here. Okay, so you can do is just press here and you can go over here and press open end caps. Okay, that will create a cap over here. Okay, so after that just go and check what happened in 3D. Okay, so over here anyhow it's 3D view, but I'm gonna not gonna use that, so I'm just gonna select this file. Okay, so just go select somewhere, not selecting, just take your mouse and place it over in the top, or don't select it, just press the tab which will select the whole file. Okay, and just select the left button of your mouse, that will select the whole thing. Okay, and just hit BX button or go over here and hit this box. Okay, so now you can see this is what we have drawn right now. Okay, this is what we have drawn and it's right now inside the ceiling. Okay, this is right now inside the ceiling. So from here we need to place two diffusers. Okay, that's what this red thing is. So what we can do is just go, we need to insert the diffuser. So you can go over the systems, okay, and you can place air terminals. So now we are here with the air terminal. It's showing like 600 into 600, 300 into 300. Right now our diffuser is not like that. Okay, so our diffuser is okay, let me take this. Okay, I'm gonna press it, I'm gonna place it over here. Okay, and I'm gonna change its size. Okay, for that you can do is just select this file and go to edit type. Okay, before that let me see what's the size of this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna check this DI. I'm gonna type DI in the keyboard. I'm gonna check the size. It's 300 into 300 and this must be 439 into 439. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna select this file and I'm gonna go to edit type. So this is a duct size is like 300 into 300. It's fine. So I'm gonna duplicate this thing and I'm gonna go this with 300 into 300 file. Okay, so just hit OK button. After that the duct is all right. Diffuser width is actually 438 or something. I forgot actually. We can change it after. Okay, hit OK button. How much was that? DI 439, right? Okay, 439. So just click here and go to edit type, change to 439 into 439, and inside here it was 300 into 300, right? Yes, 300 into 300. So now it looks somewhat similar, right? It looks somewhat similar, yeah. So we have to place this over here. Okay, so for that just select this thing, or you can I'll say just delete this thing. Okay, and just go and select air terminal and now select what we have made. Okay, we can just select M supply diffuser 300 into 300 that we created. Okay, and just go and place it over here. Okay, while placing it, make sure you can see this one blue or some reference will come. Okay, blue line will come. At that time you can place it. Okay, just place it so that the color will be changing. okay, to the blue color. It's changed, already changed. So here, yeah, that color came. Okay, you got that thing. Okay, just select it. Yeah, and just select and see where it are placed. You can see, I have selected this air terminal, and right now it's in offset 00 from the ground level, which means right now this air terminal is in the ground floor. It's sitting in the ground floor. Okay, so let me go and check in the 3D view. So anyhow, we have created a 3D view over here. You can just open this thing and you can see what happened. It just penetrated through our ceiling and it went to the bottom. Okay, so that's not what we want. Okay, right now that we don't need that. We need to place this thing just here. Okay, it's a ceiling. We have to place it over here. For that, you have to do is this connection is wrong. Okay, this connection is actually wrong. That's because we haven't created any routing preference. Okay, we haven't created any routing preference like how it should come. Okay, that's why this happened. So we need to create all those routings and all. Okay, I'll be sharing you how to create that. First, let's see how we can arrange this thing. After that, we can learn how to uh, change these settings. Okay, so we have to change just in one case, so every time it will come everything by default only. So let's go and select and okay, move it over here. So for that, you can go either in a section view or in 3D view. I love 3D views. Okay, I love working with 3D views. That's why I'm just gonna tell you right now. Okay, so okay, let me tell you the easiest way. Okay, just go any view. Okay, just go to any view, and you can just go and select align. Okay, just select AL in your keyboard, or you can go to modify tab, and you can select this thing. Okay, this is align toolbar. You just select the align toolbar, and this is where what this align means. It's gonna align from there. Okay, so I need to align here. Okay, I need to align my diffuser over here. So this is what I'm gonna align to here. What I'm gonna align? I'm gonna align this thing, okay, this thing to there. Okay, I've selected that, so it just flew away. So you can see and select and see what happened. See, my diffuser is right now over here. Okay, right now my diffuser is over here, so it's looking pretty good. Okay, so we have arranged something like that. So like that you can do it. Okay, this is one way to do it. This. So I'll tell you one more way to do this. What you can do is just go to ground floor, and you can draw a section over here. For that, you have to go to the top, and you can see a section. Okay, just select this section, and you have to hit somewhere and move your cursor right to the right, not to like this. Okay, make sure you move your cursor in a perpendicular way so that it's not making any angles. So right now we are with this thing. So so what happened is, now we created a section. Okay, so this is a section of this duct. Okay, that what all things is gonna see is will be under this thing. Okay, everything will see. You'll just okay, see in the next thing. Okay, you can see the side view of this thing. Okay, just we can see the side view. Let's go and see. Okay, just while everything is on, while everything is in the selected position, just move your mouse over here and here or here or here or here. Okay, anywhere, and you have to press the right click of your mouse, not left, right click, and just go to the go to view tab. Okay, so you can see in the side view, okay, what happened, what you have created. So right now it's in a single line, right? We don't have that 3D thing, I mean 2D thing. So for that, just go over here, the detail level, and just go to file. Okay, and here just go to wireframe. So now it's in a pretty good way, right? so we can get a clear understanding. So here also you can do the aligns. Go to AL or you can select this AL. So I'm going to align to here. Okay, this is our ceiling bottom. So I'm going to select here. Okay, this here. What I'm going to align? I'm going to align this thing to there. Okay, so I'm going to select this thing to there. So right now we are in a pretty good position. Everything is under. Yes, so everything is under the ceiling. FCU is under the ceiling. So yeah, we have created a duct with everything. So right now this connection is not pretty much good. We have to do something else. Okay, I'll be sharing that in the next video. So I hope you understand what we have done today. So just try and learn. Okay, just try and learn. Okay, I'll in the next video we'll be learning how to do this in a much better way. Okay, we need to create a lot of things. Okay, so that's our base thing. So I have just given you an intro, like how to draw something in 3D and make that thing inside our file. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can just subscribe to my channel, or you can like my video. So and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. You can comment in the sections below, or you can just give me a message, or you can give me a call. I'll be providing my phone number and email ID in the descriptions. So I'm free to help. So I'm happy to help you. So if you're happy to learn, just contact me. Thank you so much.